Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today we would like to show you one of our hard sealing valve assembly, and now please let's check. Firstly, it's the outside package is the blue VCI and de-roast back here. This is the label. Actually, the first line is our Shumatt's brand. The second line is the product code F00RJ02466. For the local label packages, all the details we support customized service, so feel free to contact us. And now let's check the inside part. And this is the transparent bottles, can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. Inside is one layer of the oil paper to wrap it up. And each product we might supply 6 months warranty time. So if you receive the packages not set with the quality, at that time you can contact us. We can return or exchange the product for you. And for this one, the plug cable injector number is 04451202117, etc. And the plug cable for vehicle core is for men. This is the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove, and this is the valve rod. If you want to install it, first make sure the valve cap in the right position, and secondly, make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. I wish you have a good day. Bye.